we are studying here so physics, and in physics we have studied the different types of the speed of sounds in different mediums, and one by one we have discussed the speed of sounds in different mediums. But today's I will discuss the speed of sounds and the speed of the object, and it's a related terms. What if the speed of sound is more, speed of object is more, or speed of object exceeded speed of sounds producing itself? So what would we say? And so what is the terminology we used here? So here is the supersonic boom, supersonic speed, and supersonic sound, and sonic booms, and different types of the booms is available here. So we will discuss one by one. So here is the here we will study the supersonic speeds. So supersonic supersonic speed. Now discuss, we will see the if the speed. So suppose that this is the supersonic speed. So when the speed of an object exceed the speed of a sound, speed of object exceed the speed of sound. Here we will write here. So when the speed of an object exceed the speed of sound. Okay, speed of an object exceed the speed of sound, it is said to have the supersonic speed. Okay, it is said to have the supersonic speeds. So we will take the examples. Examples here is given by me. There's a different types of the supersonic speed is available here. So one by one, so we will discuss the supersonic speeds, like they move many objects such as some aircraft, bullets, and rockets. Here is many objects such as aircraft, bullet. Okay, speed of rocket. Okay, speed of rocket. So these are the some electron device, machines that actually give the supersonic speed, etc. Travel at a supersonic speed. When travel at a speed supersonic speed. Why? As we know that supersonic speed, when a sound produces, okay, supersonic speed. Now we will discuss about the shock waves. Now so we will discuss about the shock wave. So here is the shock wave. Shock waves. What is shock waves? It is also depending upon the sonic booms. So shock wave is such types of the waves when when a sound producing source moves with a speed. Okay, when a sound producing object move with a speed object move with a speed higher than that of the sound, higher than that of the sound, it is said to have, okay, higher than that object, it is said to have uh, produce the shock waves in air, have a shock wave in airs. Okay, shock waves in airs. So these are the definitions by means of which we will discuss in airs. These types of it carry a large amount of energy. Okay, these types of the shock waves carry large amount of energy. Okay, it carry large amount of energy. Now we will discuss about the another types of the terms that is called sonic booms. What is sonic boom? Sonic booms. Okay. Now it is sonic booms. How we will define the sonic booms? The tremendous air pressure variations caused by the shock waves. Okay, tremendous air pressure which is caused by the shock wave. Okay, if the pressure is tremendous, means that huge amount the caused shock waves then produce a loud burst of sound. Okay, produce loud burst of sound. So loud burst of sound, that is why it is said to be the sonic booms. So it is said to be the sonic booms. Okay, it is said to be the sonic booms. If the large burst is seen, then it is said to be the sonic booms, and we can consider it produces intolerable loud noise. Okay, it produces intolerable sound noise which cause pain in our ears. Okay, sometimes it create a huge and a very dangerous effect on our bodies, and shock waves produced by a supersonic aircraft. Okay, so we can say that here, so we will try to told you that shock wave produced by so if the shock wave is produced by the supersonic aircraft, have so what does shock waves have enough energy, okay, enough energy. Okay, what does enough energy? How we will recognize is enough energy? That can scatter the glass. Glass can be scattered and can even have ability to damage buildings. Okay, thank you very much. Okay, bye bye.